recently Windows 10 new launch update KB5015878. So this is not installed and showing error, failed. So how to install and how to fix? So I step by step I guide you. Firstly, go to setting, click to start button and then setting, Windows update, and check up to date or not, whatever you want to show. So click to system, scroll down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, Windows update troubleshoot, click to run. So please wait to around 2 to 3 minutes, and should have any issues, so already all plugin and services will automatically restart. Okay, then second step. Then guys, second options, click to start button and type cmd and right click to run as administrator and then yes. So I have this command, so I will give you in comment section, so you copy paste. So okay, Windows P and enter, you do one by one. Okay,